Alright guys, welcome back to the DQE Railroad, known as the Queen Railroad Southeastern, guys. Alright guys, they came at the exact same time as my other friends did. So my two brother companies are here at the exact same time. So my brothers is giving my friends the right of way right quick, and so that way they can switch and do their thing. And then after they're done, then Kimichi will switch the gate back, which is right over there. And what you can see, they already got the trains and stuff right there, so they're gonna load the train and back to Hugo. So I'll be able to get two shots of my friends right here, and also the Kimichi. Those are my other brothers. Alrighty guys, that'll be it on the Queen tonight, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, guys. My two favorite companies just got here at the exact same time, which that was really good timing because I got here at least by 10 something and they got here at least probably about maybe 11 something, so that actually worked out pretty good. And so the local is here too as well with the midway run, so they're gonna hook the 4 engines up and they'll be on their way to Hugo tonight. So I'll be meeting them down there, down that way. I have to hook the whole entire train up, but first they're gonna hook this one up with this one and then back onto here and then pick up the other cars the Queen Railroad has for them to pick up for Kiamichi Railroad. And then they'll be out tonight to switch to get the other cars into the yard, and then after they after they take their lunch, they will come back and get a couple of cars, take them into the yard, and switch them out, and then on their way back to the Queen, Arkansas, and back this way tomorrow night. I'm wanting to come up here and see them more frequently, but I had to reserve a little bit of gas right now. But one of these nights I want to catch them somewhere else besides this spot. But it'll be dark, but hopefully I can find a spot where there's light and I can catch the train conductor and the train engineer waving me at the window. I love that. I mean, I love that when a train conductor and a train engineer waves at you. I love that. I love it so much. I love it. I just like it. I just love it so much. Love it. But guys, there they go, guys. They're on their way into the yard here, the switch yard, on go into the mill. So that's what they're going to do first. And after they get those cars switched out for the mill over there, we'll drop off those chips. They'll be taking their lunch, no, it's their dinner, and they'll be in the office, or they might just park and just go in their trucks and go to Love's and get themselves a Subway sandwich. I mean, that's what I do, or a hot dog. I mean, if I was on my lunch break, if I worked here on this railroad or Kiamichi, I'd like to take a lunch break and get back on the cab and drive her back down the line. But mostly, I'd rather just take it easy. But that's just me. Well, guys, see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Marshall now. Thank you for watching. I hope y'all like this. Hope you like these videos. I post on Facebook of the Queen Railroad. You can find me on Facebook. You can find me on Instagram. You can find me mostly on Snapchat. I got a WhatsApp app. I have Hangout. I'm getting a lot of stuff, and so guys, I mean, you mostly look me up on Facebook. If anybody on the Queen Railroad would like to be my friend, they can look me up on Facebook if they like to, if they have Facebook. Because I'm friends with somebody on the Kiamichi Road as well. I text him, and he's my good friend. When he's on his days off, I want to plan on doing some stuff with him when he's working, and then we can go railroad fanning together. But for right now, guys, see you guys later. Marshall out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, but please do. Give me the like and subscribe, and press the notification bell. Knows the bell. And you know what else, guys. Alright, guys, Marshall out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time on my next adventures on the DQE, known as the Queen Railroad Eastern. Alright, guys, catch you guys later. Marshall out. Thanks for watching.